Hey guys, welcome to Crypto Command. Today is September 12th, 2017, which means that we are on the eve of a major day in the progress of Qtum. Things have been very busy for the Qtum team, especially given all the news from China, all the implications that has had on ICOs, the general FUD that has had on the entire cryptocurrency market. But nonetheless, this team has made progress, and September 13th is a day that they will be launching their mainnet release. So if you go to the qtum.org website now, this is the English version that we're looking at, you will see that the timer that they've had on their website has stopped. So they're no longer counting this down, as we are now right upon the time where they will be planning to release this. So in recent news, they had this article on Medium that described the fact that they are planning to give a launch of their mainnet, which is called Ignition. So they're planning to launch that on Wednesday the 13th. I'm not going to read this to you, but there is basically, this is their new chapter. This is a big step forward. As they say, endless nights. This is what they have been working towards. So everyone who's invested in Qtum, this is really actually starting to see development of this blockchain moving forward. And so I'm not going to get into all the technical aspects of Qtum, but it's a really intriguing technology using the core blockchain of Bitcoin and then using essentially the smart contract aspect of Ethereum. So in a way, it's a best of both worlds situation. So it's really intriguing, and this launch of Mainnet and Ignition gives them the ability to really start to put these smart contracts to work. Over on their Twitter page, you will see they're really highlighting Ignition. They have a pinned tweet here from a couple of days ago that shows that the main network is complete. So everything that this enables with proof of stake, all the smart contracts are all going to be launched with this. So what they have been advertising is an AMA Ask Me Anything event on Reddit that starts 10 p.m. Beijing time, 10 a.m. Eastern time, New York. So this will be open. I think they will really be launching the Ignition platform at that time. So there's a lot of excitement around this. Just to walk you through the Qtum roadmap, where this puts the progress of this platform to date. Since Qtum was launched, they've been in this testnet phase, which the GUI for Qtum was basically incomplete. It was really completely dedicated to developers, and everything was just still in a working form. But Mainnet, and this is what's happening tomorrow, enables a GUI wallet that will have smart contract interactions. They very clearly state here that this may not be perfect. There's still some work to be done, but it also gives a stable RPC layer for developers. So really kind of the next step as they move forward toward additional progress that they are planning, new integration that will happen in this process in November, and then other steps that they're looking forward to in 2018. So where does that leave us in the price action as far as the immediate future with this news pending in the next 24 hours? If we look at a chart of Qtum, I'm on Bittrex, you can see that if we look out to basically the start of September, you can see that the China news really had a big impact on dropping things down in the price of Qtum. But as we look over the past week or so, things rebounded. There's been some price fluctuation, but in general, things have been kind of creeping back up. But interestingly, right ahead of this event on the 13th, especially if we look into the past hour or so, there was a big drop. If you look at the wicks on these candles, it's dropping way down. So it's interesting. There's been a lot of attention to this news coming out. I think there's a lot of enthusiasm around the quantum community, but what will happen in the next 24, 48 hours and into the next week as they continue to develop is unknown. This may be an interesting project to watch for the long term. I'm excited for this team being able to move forward, and it should be a great event tomorrow. So I wish those guys well. So just a quick update on what's been going on with Qtum, in case you've heard that there are rumors about big news coming out. So that's what's going on. So that's the news for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and click the subscribe button. And until next time, thanks for watching Crypto Command.